Red by Kiss shampoo is a growing favorite in the world of affordable, targeted hair care, especially for individuals with textured, curly, or chemically treated hair. Known for offering high-quality products at budget-friendly prices, Red by Kiss focuses on addressing specific hair concerns such as dryness, breakage, and buildup. The brand, widely recognized for its beauty tools and accessories, has expanded into hair care with shampoos that are rich in nourishing ingredients like argan oil, black castor oil, tea tree oil, and biotin, all aimed at improving scalp health and promoting stronger, healthier hair. Whether you're trying to maintain natural curls, grow out damaged hair, or simply keep your scalp clean and refreshed, Red by Kiss shampoo offers an effective solution. One of the most popular formulas in the line is the Argan and Macadamia Oil Moisture Shampoo, which delivers deep hydration to dry or brittle hair. It gently cleanses without stripping away natural oils, making it ideal for curly and coily hair types that tend to be more prone to dryness. The formula leaves the hair feeling soft, smooth, and easier to manage. Another standout is the Red by Kiss Tea Tree and Mint Scalp Care Shampoo, which is perfect for those dealing with scalp issues like itchiness, flakiness, or buildup. The cooling sensation